Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a chat to your archive on WhatsApp using the newest method. If you've ever wanted to clean up your chat list without actually deleting your conversations, this feature is perfect for you. It helps you stay organized while keeping your important messages safe and easy to find whenever you need them. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're on the home screen where all your chats are displayed. At the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your device, you'll see different tabs. Go ahead and tap on the one labeled Chats. This will take you to your full list of conversations. Now, scroll through until you find the chat you want to archive. It can be an individual chat or even a group conversation. Once you've found it, press and hold on that chat for a few seconds. You'll notice the chat gets highlighted and new icons appear at the top of your screen. Look toward the top right corner. You'll see an icon that looks like an arrow pointing down into a box. That's the archive icon. Tap it once, and just like that, your selected chat will disappear from your main chat list. Don't worry, it hasn't been deleted. It's now safely stored in your archived folder. To view your archived chats later, scroll to the very top of your chat list. There, you'll find a new section called Archived. Tap it, and you'll see every chat you've archived neatly stored in one place. If you ever want to unarchive a chat, simply open this folder, long press the chat again, and tap the same archive icon. It will immediately return to your main chat list. That's all it takes. Archiving chats on WhatsApp is a simple yet powerful way to keep your messaging feed tidy without losing any conversations. Try it out today and see how much cleaner your app looks. Thanks for watching.